Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you this will make your face so fair that everyone will keep looking at you and wondering what are you doing to your skin. This magical remedy works 100% in getting fair, spotless and glowing skin. From first use, you will get rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation and all the skin problems that you do have. It will go away from first use. You will notice a great results. All you need to do is prepare it and apply it in your skin and you will see the magic, and it's going to work for you 100%. Let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add in a clean mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and if you don't have rice flour, get the rice and grind it fine into a powder. Then we need to add half teaspoon of baking soda. Then we need to add the magical ingredient, which is half teaspoon of instant coffee. Add around that much. We don't need too much of instant coffee. Then my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Then we need 1 lemon. And cut the lemon in half like so. Around 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients. Mix it very well until all the ingredients melt together and combine very well together. Now my friends, with an aid of cotton ball, dip in the cotton ball into the remedy like so and apply it in your face, and my friends, the result will amaze you. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it with cold water, and my friends, the result will amaze you. From first use, you will notice a great results in your skin. Lemon and Nescafe will whiten your skin tone naturally and improve the skin complexion, and it's super effective in getting rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, and it's super effective in getting rid of wrinkles as well. And my friends, you will be amazed with the result. Keep using that remedy 2 to 3 times weekly to achieve the best results ever.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.